Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use special content block shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of special content block shortcode. Special content block is awesome and stylish content element to design a hero section in your page with nice and short content using big row background image. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on special content block shortcode. POFO contains 4 different special content block styles. Let me select block style 1. This is the actual block content area and the image is row background image. So let me enter title. You can insert your content here. Let me add content, for example. You can switch on off separator using this option. Click on select URL with button configuration option. You can enter link of button here. Let me add hash, for example. You can enter button text and link text option. Let me enter buy now text. You can also select page to link on button, click using this area. Click on Set Link button. CSS animation. You can select your desired CSS animation from available animation list if you wish. Go to Style tab. Here you can manage style of different element, title text case, separator thickness, separator color. You can also manage width of content block with different devices and set editing percentages. You can manage button background color, text color and hover colors. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of title and other element as per style selected. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc. Italic font on off, change font color, font underline on off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Design options tab. Here you can manage margin, border, padding, border color, border style, border radius. You can also set background color, or you can also upload background image. If you have uploaded background image, then you can main background image properties like background type, background position and width. If you want different design settings for different devices, then you can switch on enable responsive CSS box. You can add different values for different devices like mini desktop, tablet and mobile. Go to Extra tab. This is element ID. You can assign unique ID to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child themes style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Content block is visible here as per content, style and animation selected. Now let me upload background image for my row. Go to row settings and click on design options tab. Let me upload background image using this option. Go to general tab again. If you want to make the row full width, then you can select stretch row and content with no padding option here. If you want to make full height row, then select full height option. Column position, it is middle right now. Suppose you want to set content align to bottom, then select bottom as column position. Save changes and preview it. You can see background is in full width, but my block is still not bottom aligned because of there is default padding. So let me go back to row settings, and under design options tab, let me set 0 paddings. Save changes and preview it. It is bottom aligned now. Now suppose you want to move this block to right side, then let me set row with 2 columns and move special content block to right side column. Save changes and preview it. Now my content block is showing in right side. So this is the style one. Go back to special content block settings and let me select block style 2. Content is already there, so let me save changes and preview it. Second style content block is visible here. You can see there is no background behind content block, so let me go back to special content block settings, under design options. Let me set white background color and opacity for better visibility. Save changes and preview it. You can see white background with opacity set. You can also set content block position using column. If you want to show content block in left position, then you can move it from right to left first column here. Save changes and preview it. You can see content block is in left position now. If you want content block to display in middle position, then go to row settings and under general tab, please select middle as columns position. Save changes and preview it. It is looking nice in middle position. Go back to special content block settings and let me select block style 3. This is my title. For underline you can enter strong tag because of in title we cannot provide styling of partial text. Enter subtitle text. Let me move content block to right side second column and set first column width smaller and second column width larger. Save changes and preview it. You can see block style 3 here. Now if you want to add image in first column, then here you can add single image shortcode. Save changes and preview it. It is looking nice with image in left column and content in right column. If you don't want to full height row, then to row settings, under general tab and check full height row option. Save changes and preview it. Great, it is looking nice. You can check same with other styles. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.